back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we'll be diving into creating our hero section. But before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss out on the latest tutorials. We're going to use the wireframe that we made before to see what we need to make first. We're going to start off by creating a shape for a background. And I'm going to use white for the background. Next, let's create the navbar. First, let's create a shape so that we can align all of the nav links according to the size of our navbar. I'm going to make the opacity 0 so that it is invisible. Now I'm going to use this name. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to create a text box, and then I'm just going to paste it in. I'm going to change the style of the text. I'm going to make this regular, and also I'm going to change the font style. I can choose one from the list. Now I'm going to change the color to one that is in our palette. I'm going to change the font style again because I didn't think the previous one was that good. So let me just look up another one. Now I'm going to create some nav links. To do that, just create a text box and then just change the style to whatever you want. Type in the name of the nav link. I'm going to lessen the width automatically by using the option on the right side. Next, I'm just going to duplicate this. Just select the text, drag it. Before release, press the Alt key and then release. Also, let's change the color for all of them. Just select all of them, go to the fill, and then choose a color. Let's add a shape to the right side to make our image look good. I'm going to create a triangle. I'm going to round the corners. To do that, Go to the right side and then add the border radius number you think is right. Now I'm going to resize and rotate the image to see what looks good. I'm going to mess around with the style until I think I have a good style here. So I'm just going to fast forward this. Next, I'm going to add an image, and I have a few prepared. I'm going to click and drag them over here. Next, I'm going to work on the text. First, I'm going to see what I have available. I'm just going to copy and paste it here. Then I'm going to change the styles. I'm going to increase the font size. And then I'm going to select the other half of the text. I'm going to make it bold. I'm going to change the color. And I'm also going to increase the font size. Next, I'm going to create two buttons. Change the background color. Duplicate the shape. To do that, just click, drag, press Alt, and then release. I'm going to make the background color invisible. I'm going to add a stroke. I'm going to change the stroke color to the same color as our button. Then I'm going to add a text box. And I'm going to change the text. And I'm going to duplicate the text box. Next, I'm going to group everything together. Now that everything is grouped together, I can easily align the text using the alignment options, and it will automatically align according to our group. Now I'm going to change color for our texts. according to our buttons. Okay, so now I'm just gonna create a grid so that we can align everything properly. To do that, click the frame and then go to the layout option, click the plus icon, choose columns, change the count to 12, choose center, and make the width 90. Now we have a grid, so let's align everything properly. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone, and as always, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.